Hey guys, so Ron here once again with a quick update on our Tesla trade. Obviously, we started this trade last Thursday. So today is March the 4th, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update. It was a great trading day today. So I just wanted to show you guys how the trade turned out today. So what happened was with the call spread, we ended up getting an 83% return. I got out a little early just so that I can capitalize and take out some of the capital and put it to work on this smaller account on some of the other trades. So I went ahead and closed that out at 11.55, as you can see here. I closed that out at 60 cents. And if you guys can remember, I bought those at 3.80. Actually, I collected 3.52 for those, and I bought them back at what do you call it, at 60 cents. So 3.52 and minus 60 cents, you're looking at a difference of what, 2.92 is the difference. So multiply that times 10, 100 times 10, you're looking at a profit of 29.20 before any fees. So not a bad day on that side. 29.20 profit. And then on our puts, we collected 493% return. That's a massive return right there. I just wanted to make sure you guys got to see that. 493%. And how did we do that? Obviously, as you guys know, when we bought these puts, and let me show you here actually, we closed these at 18.75, and if you remember correctly, we bought those at 3.80. If my math is correct, so 380, 1875. If we're doing the math, you divide 380 by the 1875, comes out to about 4.93%. Once you move the dots over, obviously, if I remember math correctly, 493% return right there. So on this one, we ended up profiting 29.90 before any fees. So 29.90. On that one, plus 29,920, just shy of 6K. So I'm gonna round it because I don't feel like adding right now. So just shy of 6K profit for the day on a Tesla trade that we started on Thursday. So just a couple of days later, and this is how it played out. I took the first profit on the spread around here, and then I took profit right at my target right here at the pivot. The target was initially 280, but when the pivot came out today at this area of 282, I moved my limit just because I know it's more than likely going to bounce, and that is exactly what it did today. It bounced up higher and it ended up closing at around 285, so close right around here. So I'm not going to take any chances. So here's the video playback for that, so you guys can see. Alright guys, so here's the play-by-play on Tesla. Obviously it sold off right from the beginning. It gapped up on very, very thin volume, so the move lower was definitely expected. Had it moved higher, like I said, I had moved my stop down to 310, but that wasn't the expectation for the day. So obviously it just pretty much sold off all morning, and I waited till late in the morning till they started consolidating above the pivot, just in case. So I decided to take my profits on my call spread, so for an 83% return basically, just in case it decided to consolidate and then break out higher. So it was just safer to take the money and put it to work somewhere else. I could have let it go down to the pivot, which is pretty much what I expected it was going to do anyway, but once I saw this consolidation here and no movement after that, I just kind of said, you know what, let me just take this money out and put it to work on something else. So that we can capitalize on bigger moves on something else. So I moved my limit up and went ahead and took my profit right there around 11.55 or so, and then we let the rest of the day play out. And obviously you see my target was down 280 initially, so I went ahead and adjusted that to 282, right where the pivot was at, and I let that play out. It took some time, but obviously we're managing something else. Just walk around, go work out, or do something else. Let the plan work out, because we have a plan. We're going to trade our plan. And that's pretty much it. And obviously, I know these pivots are key for me, like I said before, because they tend to consolidate and or bounce off these before continuing lower. And that is exactly what happened here. Boom, we took our profit. We changed our limit order here. We're going to take our profit. We took profit on one. I forgot to record it. And then here I took the profit on the other one. Here we go. Boom, took my profit. And that was that for Tesla. So lastly, obviously, this is where Tesla finished out. This does not mean that I do not intend to get back in. We do still expect it to continue falling. So I am probably going to get back into the position tomorrow. But obviously, why suffer the pain of suffering a pullback when I can just get back in at a better price, or actually tomorrow? Had it broken this level today and closed below here, I definitely would have got back in today. But as always, I know that it's going to bounce off of these levels. These pivots to me are pivotal points. Obviously, that's why they're called pivots. So they will bounce or consolidate in these areas. So that's what happened. That's pretty much all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more, and I'll see you next time.